tags to thing row, and this is questions from the Google interview questions, which was technically uploaded in the talent. So we'll go through some questions here, and which are the we'll go from the easy to a difficult or difficult to easy. Okay, we'll go with the difficult questions, first one. And you can see the problems here, like mentioned total in this page 21. I don't know, I think the second page also there. Yeah, it's going on being the so many questions. So first we'll make sure solving the first question here, and I'll share this page in the bio, so you can check in the description link everywhere this question is there. And here we go to the longest iterating or longest algorithm substring. Um, yeah, we'll go with the regular expressing matching. I feel like this question is hard. See, they mentioned hard here. So we'll go with this question, solving this question. First one, regular expressing matching. So we'll make sure the screen will be large. And so how to solve this question? So we'll make sure the screen will be large. And so how to solve this question in case here, we can see given input string and the pattern P. So here the given as input string and is a pattern of the P, implement the regular expression matching support, and where stack matches single character and matching zero on more of preceding element. So we can go here the matching a single character. So the aim of the goal is to check if the entire string S matches the pattern P. I'll take notesing in the meanwhile, so you can get. I'll open the notepad. So our goal is to check if the entire string S matches the uh, sorry matches the pattern of P. So this is our goal, keep in mind. And when solving the cracking the Google like technical higher companies, the questions will be asking from the most of the parts on the DSA, and you have to be the thoroughly to get in the DSA part. So as to questions, we have to create the DP table. So I choose the Python because many of the people I familiar to be easy with the Python code. So I'll go with the Python, and we'll remove this one. Yeah, we'll keep the class solution object, and we'll remove the. I think define we do with the defines match, and we'll go with the m m equal to n of class of p, and so go to dp. So coming to the question, once see the constraints which they're given. So we can see here constraints. So I go, yeah, if you go with the constant fully, we go with the dp is equal to uh, install and n plus 1 for underscore in range of m plus 1 and go with the gp for statement, which can be here. We'll implement up to 0 and j. I failed the 0 0, then to either true, and we will study the for loop here. According to the question, I can see here the input s is equals to a, and now for beta false. So according to the range you can take as the 2 comma n plus 1. The range we can take in the j in range of 2 comma n plus 1. Yeah. And we use the if statement here, the p also j minus 1. Okay, my keyboard correction the statements. Okay, and then let's go implementing the star, which can be to the question of a dp, which can be used 0 and j. So I'll make sure that writing the code and explain the meanwhile, and the who join the live session can keep just solving it rapidly, solve question with me for the same time. I have mentioned in the Google Teams, so you can go and check the form link there and do the question with me. And people who want to join in meetings of the thing grow, or who want to participate in the meetings which will be conducted by us, other team members, then go to the link and subscribe the channel and just fill the form for the next video. And here, coming to the question, we ensure in the range 1 comma m plus 1. And here, we ensure the for j in range 1 comma m plus 1. I hope everyone is clear right now. And if j, which had to use the equals to the given question, you can go to the question and or p, which is given to j minus or minus in the technical questions ji minus 1. I hope everyone is clear up to this question part. P by j is equals to p by, let me go to the count, okay, and j. So here we mention I minus 1 and j minus 1 with enter the statement called p and j minus 1 is equal to the star and dp. I think we almost finished the question. So here what I mentioned, the gp, the I and j and j minus 2. I go with j minus 2. So so what here mentioned is why did I mention, because your statement says the zero occurrence, which is the if statement with this j minus 2 the equal to dot or j minus. The last statement I is dpi and dpj. Here I mentioned the I minus 1 and coming to j, because here we can see the one or more currents. So at last, I we want to enter the return value as a DP. We use the ping M and N. So go to the question. You can see here. So finally, we'll run this code. We'll run this code, and if we see the test packet, will get any error or not. Or you can see the acceptance here. So you can go here as the character matches the inheritance from previous match. So we can see that p ij is equals to dp I minus 1 and j minus 1. Here p j minus 1, which says two cases based on the character before and stacked because p j minus 2. And 0 is occurrence here. We can see go through the 0 occurrence and then 0.